Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in automotive and boating accessories. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best boat trim molding out there, the One Black Vinyl Trim Molding Screw Cover. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or someone who enjoys time on the water, this product is designed to meet all your exterior trim needs. Now, let's talk about why this trim molding is such a game changer. First off, it's made of high-quality vinyl that ensures durability in even the harshest weather conditions. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade for your boat or RV, it's a protection measure. The black vinyl molding not only enhances the look of your vehicle but also protects the screws from the elements. No more worrying about rusted screws or water seeping into your trailer. The UV-resistant material also means it will hold up against the sun, keeping your RV or boat looking sharp year after year. One of the standout features of this product is its universal fit. At 1 inch wide, this trim molding fits most RVs, boats, and travel trailers, making it a versatile option for anyone looking to replace cracked or damaged trim. Installation is a breeze, too. Simply unscrew the old molding, insert the new vinyl strip, and reinstall the screws. It's that easy. You don't need to be a professional to do this yourself. The 100-foot roll provides plenty of material to cover all the screws along the exterior of your boat, camper, or trailer, ensuring full protection. Plus, the material is thick enough to handle the wear and tear of outdoor adventures, making it a long-lasting addition to your vehicle. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install, and durable trim molding solution for your boat or RV, this One Black Vinyl Trim Molding Screw Cover is a top contender. It provides both aesthetic appeal and practical protection, ensuring that your vehicle stays looking great while standing up to the elements. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. See you in the next one.